Hello, Aquarius. Welcome back. This is Jay from High Five Sci 50, and this is your Sun, Moon, Rising sign, and Venus love reading for the sign of Aquarius. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If it doesn't resonate, that's okay. Perhaps next month's message is the one for you. But I've always believed in synchronicity, so there must be something in here that you need to hear today. Oh, okay. First things first, we will draw. This is a pre-shuffled oracle deck. This is Amoret Psyche, and we will draw one card to start the energy of your reading, to determine the core energy of your reading. Ideal romance. This is Cupid. How do you envision? What does an ideal relationship looks like to you? How does it look like? For a meditation practice, if you have a meditation practice, you could try to envision uh, Cupid in your mind's eye and just get right naturally and get the messages Cupid is wanting to tell you. How does an ideal romance look like to you? This is an absolute bliss. And this could also be a sign that you are in a ideal relationship, but makes me wonder why you're here if you're in a perfect relationship, and no relationship is perfect after all. Okay, what has happened? Why do I feel like people around you are telling you um I don't know, gossip, but it could also be a truth about your current partner. Perhaps you have been cheated on in the past, or perhaps people around you, your friends, are telling you that they have seen your partner flirting with somebody else. Look at that worm telling this person. But this could also be collaboration. Someone in your current, if you're in a relationship, someone just doesn't want to give a budge. Somebody has that pride and perhaps do not want to apologize for any misgiving. And perhaps if you are confronting your partner who has previously cheated on you, they wouldn't even, of course, they won't admit, but they wouldn't even try to apologize, try to appease you, try to repair the trust that has been broken. Why do I feel like if you are in a relationship, Aquarius, this could also be interchangeable. You could be a cross watcher and watching an Aquarius energy. But why do I feel that something is in havoc? Something has been wrecked. I don't know if it is trust. I don't know if it is relationship itself. But somebody here is losing the energy because they're overthinking, they are burnt out, and they are very they're in this is analysis paralysis, something that is not, I don't know, paranoid, something that shouldn't be worried. You shouldn't worry about something, but all of a sudden you started getting anxious. Perhaps for some of you, you feel that your partner is hiding something from you, but for single individuals, I feel that you have been recently you've been single just recently, and something is not yet quite harmonious in your life right now. Perhaps there's a remnants of this past, or perhaps for some of you, you are still trying to fix it, you're still trying to work it out, still trying to get a sense of this situation, but something has failed. Perhaps for some of you, you could be dealing with an long distance relationship, and it has not worked the way you expected to work. And somebody in this connection may be asserting their power, asserting their strengths. This is how we should do things. This is Somebody is demanding in this connection. Somebody is trying to get a control of how things should be run. Their approach of mending a relationship, or their approach in running a relationship, is one way. It's a one way kind of situation, and it's just stressing you out, or you are not aware, Aquarius, that this is something that is burning you out. Something here is excessive. Something is, I don't know, maybe you could be dealing with somebody who is struggling with addiction, and they don't want help, they don't want to receive help, and all the plans were ruined because of this addiction. For some of you, you are no longer happy. If this doesn't resonate, Aquarius, you are free to check out other readings. But the energy of this reading, this could connect with a very select select few. But you could stick around to get the oracle message later on. But for now, it's not looking good as it's not looking good. I don't see yet somebody leaving this situation behind. What I am seeing is this: you are still struggling to make sense of what your partner is doing, of what they have chosen to do. And one of you in this connection is asserting control over how the relationship should be run. It's a one-way street, and it's not a two-way one. And so it's causing disagreements. Nobody is leaving just yet. But what you are realizing right now, or what you would realize, is that you are no longer happy. And this is burning you out. This is stressing you out. Some of you may be, you're the one who is leaving because you're about to go overseas, you're about to study abroad, or perhaps you are about to work abroad, work overseas, and you are not, you haven't experienced having a long distance relationship, and it's getting into you. Good news is, um when the door closes, a window opens. I strongly feel that planning will be in the work. Look at her, she's looking at herself in the mirror. Perhaps you are taking accountability for the failure of this relationship, or soon to be failure of this relationship. You're looking what went wrong, what have I done wrong. But careful, Aquarius, if you are overthinking this to a point that you're only blaming yourself, because that is not healthy for you. Somebody is a fire sign: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Perhaps that is the third party, but it could also be somebody in this connection who is very demanding, very controlling. But I feel that whoever is a controlling person in this connection, I strongly feel that they're not fully aware that they are smothering the person that they love, that they smothering the person that they are with. One of you will finally walk away. I don't feel like it would happen this February, but somewhere down the road, you would find that person who will give you that emotional fulfillment. And it may not happen at this point and in this country or in the place that you are in, because somebody may have to leave, or somebody may have to work to live overseas first before the emotional fulfillment comes. You will be presented with a lot of options, and perhaps this person, this controlling person, has been telling you what to choose from in since the beginning, and it just gets into you, or perhaps you are being bullied to choose, to make a choice that is against your, I don't know, values or principles. And perhaps you have already, it has been a cycle that you would choose to leave this situation behind, but at the same time you will get back, this person would apologize and control you again, and then you will revert or go back and just forgive them. So there's an unhealthy kind of situation. This relationship is no longer helping you. this relationship is no longer healthy for you. But I kind of feel that you are not yet, you're still living with it and you're not yet walking away from that situation. Perhaps this February you would walk away because the burnout is real and you just can't. Look at that. Two kids are very afraid of the bunny. You're not supposed to be afraid of that bunny, but they are. So the relationship that you have held so dear in the past is the same relationship that is now threatening you, or the same relationship that is no longer healthy for you. There's a sense of control that no whoever is the one being controlled or bullied here, he or she doesn't realize that she is being controlled. And if the relationship is failing or would soon to fail, you would put the blame on yourself. You will blame yourself for the mistakes or the misgivings you've done because the failure of this relationship is something that you want to take ownership of or you want to be accountable for. Something is excessive here and something is very out of whack. Somebody is lashing out on the other. Somebody is very, I don't know, perhaps if you're the one who is being burned out, um, you can no longer take care of your emotions and so you are lashing out on others. Somebody is stressed here. Perhaps both of you are stressed. Um, Something has to give and someone has to leave before the emotional fulfillment and the options and the plans will push through if one of you leave this situation behind. Let's get a message for what's the oracle advice for our Aquarius, dear Aquarius. What's our oracle advice? Transition. This is Imago. You are undergoing a transition, transformation phase. It's like um the phase between the caterpillar to butterfly to undergo that transformation is the Imago. And you are in a period of being trained. The universe is training you to be stronger than you more than what you give yourself credit for. And perhaps you see yourself as meek, as a timid individual in the past. Right now you are being built by the universe to stand up, to stand your ground and be that assertive individual who will no longer be bullied. You're in a period of transition and just ride the wave, embrace the discomfort that you're going through because eventually I strongly feel that this is not the current case. This is emotional fulfillment, self-care, self-love, having more time for yourself. I don't feel like this is not a situation of the Aquarius born individual I'm connecting with. But this is the situation. This is a future scenario of the Aquarius that I am connecting with right now. It came after Four of Wands reversed, unhappiness, discontent. But choices, options, reflection time, answers will come soon. Perhaps all you need to do is to leave it behind. I don't see any card here that talks about leaving, but it only hints to leaving. So perhaps you might want to leave first, or perhaps you just have to allow the universe to do its magic. You are in a period of transition. This is an affirmation that you are in a period of transition. You are soon to be spreading your wings, like prepare to fly, because you will become a butterfly. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it at that, Aquarius. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you next time. My name is A. See you soon. Bye.